Hello friends, in this video we can learn how to debug how to debug our Node.js project in Visual Studio Code. Node.js project in VS Code. Right? Very good. For example, imagine this is my Node.js project. I want to debug this code. Okay, right. I just go to this server file. Here I just added one small function which take two numbers and add it. Okay, right. I want to debug this function. Very good. You can find here that icon, debug icon. You can click that icon and simply you can create launch.jsn file. You can click that one. You need to select which one? Node.js. Click the Node.js. Once you can click the Node.js, whatever the configuration is available, you need to remove that. You can remove it. Simply type cmd command, you can just enter. Once you can enter that, it provide some key values. Command, name, request, type. Okay. Type node terminal means that console data, whatever we are debugging, it's showing a terminal. And this is the command. If you where we can find this command, you need to go to the package.jsn file. Okay, in the section of script, you can find your command. For example, if you mention dev, you need to rename start as a what? Dev. Right or not? Very good. Up to now, I just kept as a start only. Very good. Now, okay, you can just go to this one. See that one. Here, the name is displaying run npm start. You can see that name here, where in launch.jsn file. If you want to rename it, you can rename it. You can just remove and you can say that debugging. Debug Node.js. Save it. Simply you can find here debug Node.js. Now you can go to your file where you want to debugging. Okay. I want to debug this statement. Okay. Simply you can go to that left hand side. You can click that one. Once you can click that, you can see the red here. That is breakpoint. Very good. I want to check this function also. Then you can go to that left hand side. You can click that. Here you can go to the debug mode. Now you can run here. Right? Yes. It's a running application in a debug mode. See? Now if you want to go to the next debug statement, you can just press this continue button. Click that one. See? Now you can see your values here. Just to move that, see? What is the value of B? 32. What is the value of A? 2. Okay. In the left hand side, you can see that variables, how the variable assigning the value, you can track all those things here. Okay. If you want to continue, just to press the continue. Right or not? Yes. That is how we can debug our code. Okay. In Node.js project. Okay. Simply you need to do what? Launch.jsn file. In that one, you need to add your command name and type. You can just go to the project. If you want to do some changes in your launch.jsn file, you can find a folder here, VS Code, .vs Code. Open that folder, you can see your all setting here. Like that, we can debug our code. Okay. Thank you for watching.